seatbelt on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because Bridger, you shouldn't be able to sit forward like that.
I'm not even sitting forward.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
Your birthday.
It's not my birthday. It's my 18th anniversary to my 21st birthday.
So it's your birthday?
No, it's my 18th anniversary to my 21st birthday.
When is your actual birthday?
It was
18 years ago.
it was 21
Mommy, do we
plus
have to go
18
to
years
jail?
old. What? Yes, get out of my car and go to jail.
School.
That's what Theron's calling school last couple days. Why is it jail?
Dude, you have to wait and do homework. And then you have to, go out recess only 2 times.
Rude. And you have
go
to
out
learn
3
stuff.
times. And then we had to go in.
You
for
learn
like
stuff in
13
jail?
million days.
Well, it's not jail because then I'd be
If you
paying
guys
for more
think
of it.
it's fun, then don't think that. It's boring.
Okay. Get out of my car.
Bye.
Have a good day. I love you.
Love you too.
Have a safe day.
You too. I'm fine. We adopted a new baby.
Look at the baby.
What is her name?
Glory. So if you get a ringtone that says happy birthday every time you get a notification from Facebook, it's fun. There it goes.
We can just make a mess.
No, you don't pull them out of there and not eat them. You put the shells on the ground. Bridger, shells on the ground and you eat the centers. Don't just throw them on the floor. We're at Texas Roadhouse.
Like his name is Bergen. He's wearing a Bergen shirt.
Anyway, it's okay to throw it on the floor. What'd you get?
The 6-ounce
Sirloin.
fries.
He got shrimp, but he didn't know the shrimp comes off, so he's trying to eat the tails, which is funny. His bites are too big sometimes, right? He can't swallow. What did you get? Chicken. Oh wait, guys, this is Allie. Hi. This is the girl that is never seen on the vlog. She does exist, you guys. There she is. Austin, what did you get?
I got chicken fried steak and a sweet potato and some.
Cool. What did you get, Em? Ribs?
And steak fries.
Cool. And Grandma got prime rib? Yes, I did. Sorry, Dad, I didn't hit record.
Oh.
So Dad got a baked potato and a ribeye. And we're at Texas Roadhouse, so you always have to have the What?
I'm cold.
You're cold? That's not a blanket, dude. That's a napkin. And I got sirloin and also ribs and a baked potato. Or I mean sweet potato. So for the birthdays, yeah, sit on the set. You want to turn? You don't want to turn? Don't you want to sit on the saddle?
It's weird.
It's weird? Hey, Bridger, was that fun?
She's freaking
Did you do that again, Bridger?
Yeah, I didn't think she was going to be that loud.
Are you embarrassed? Was that embarrassing? No. He's humiliated. Like, you made me
Can I have the phone now?
Yeah. What was the funniest part about tonight?
Of me, it's either me riding the saddle, or Theron spitting it out and everyone reacting to it.
Yeah, so Theron had some meat in his mouth that
Get
he
off
couldn't
my
spit.
foot.
Like, he couldn't swallow. He had too much. And
like-
so
I was like, I can't eat it.
he goes, I can't swallow it. When I was little, I did the same thing. So anyway, I grabbed napkin and had him spit it in a napkin. I rolled it up. Nobody even saw it. And then it happened again. And then I was looking around. I'm like, I don't know. And so Theron spit it out on the plate. And
You told me to.
yeah, I was like, put it on the plate, and then I'll try to find something. And he spit it out on the plate, and it was like, Allie was like, like, super funny. I wish I would have gotten on camera,
I
but
made this in 2nd grade. It's got pink on it.
yes, it does. Anyway, so today was kind of relaxing. I got to, just chill out at home for a little bit.
What to have us with you?
And then we went to dinner with my dad.
Texas
As you
Roadhouse.
saw, that was fun. And then we came home, and now we're home. And now the kids need to do an overnight bag because guess where we're hanging out tomorrow night?
What, are you sleeping over too?
Summit and Vine. It'll be fun.
Are you going to?
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah, I'm gonna give
And
Benelli a blanket,
thank you for all the support you guys give us with Jake being gone. All your guys' words of encouragement,
trying
it
to
really
be funny.
helps. You're trying to be funny. Anyway, but thank you. If I haven't said it, thank you.
Look at this eyeball that's black.
What? Weird.
I drew that.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope that you decide to hang out
is
with us
so
more.
easy to make.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See
Bye.
ya. Bye. Subscribe, like, comment, and stuff like that.